yeah, it's like a 3-4 pounder, dude. Oh my gosh, Jimbo. What? The blades touched my hood.
No, it didn't.
Yes, I felt it. You rested it on my head and then you're stuck now.
We gotta go over to the dock. Why'd you ever run that?
Close. Oh, my bad. Oh shit.
Especially when you got the big birds dropping. Yeah, it's like a 3-4 pounder, dude. Oh. Come on, come on. Let's go! Oh, that's like a 3-4 pounder. Oh, dude, it's about f***ing time. Oh, almost 4
pounds.
3.9.
3.9. Oh, dude, I haven't caught one actually this good in a while. That's a good fish, guys. Oh shit, yeah, there he goes.
He goes.
Yeah, what we're kind of doing right now is just, I got on this little red Strike King lipless crank, and I'm just kind of burning it. I have a fast gear ratio, so I'm kind of just burning it. That's how I caught that 4 pounder. Oh, get around there. That should be good. Oh yeah, right on the choilies. Oh, I'm snagged. Got one. It's a fluke. Or a drop shot. That is. Ooh. Ugh. What the hell?
restaurant where they said crappie for dinner. I don't know if, whoa.
Fish on.
Jimbo got a snag.
Oh,
What
with
the-
the snag.
Caught somebody's panties or something.
We gotta go over there.
Alright, picking up a little drop shot kind of thing. Little KVD, I forget what it's called, but it's kind of like a little weird worm and crawl imitation. We're just throwing that in a drop shot. It's pretty shallow, so we're using a lightweight.
Like, don't they realize, like, for what? Yeah, on Friday. I thought it was Hawaii Friday. So I changed it. 617, dude. They started doing that shit like it's a religion. Friday, do it? Yeah. The old school guys used to do that shit.
Oh, fish on.
Let's go, dude. Off the drop shot. That's a 2-pounder. Yeah. Oh my gosh, guys.
Almost 3.
Almost 3 pounds. Alright, guys. Second fish of the day on a little drop shotter. Little drop shot. There we go. Bam. Give me a picture. Yeah.